How you guys doing? This is Omar coming in live with another tutorial on how you can make money all by using Clickbank from your home. So in this tutorial I'm just going to be showing you um, basically the methods and strategies that I use to make consistent sales. I'll be going over an autoresponders, the tools that I use, and also the traffic that I'm using as well to get these sales. So stay tuned. And if you like content like this, go ahead and subscribe to my page. I have plenty of information, useful information like this on how to make money online that's going to be coming more frequently. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you can stay informed. Alright, so what I have on screen is a snapshot basically of my Clickbank account. This is a new Clickbank account that I've created. I have about 5 of them. If you're starting with Clickbank, I suggest you have one, and then when you see an increase in sales and stuff like that, go ahead and make a couple. It wouldn't hurt for you to make multiple accounts. But you can create one by going to www.clickbank.com. It's just going to give you a step-by-step on how you can set up one up. You're going to it's going to ask for bank account information, and also you can receive money by check as well. So you just go ahead and go to clickbank.com and set one up. After that, one thing that you'll notice when you create a Clickbank account is that you'll have no sales. It's just going to all say 0 here, but there's nothing wrong with that. Got to start somewhere. But to basically find products, what you would do is go to the top where it says Marketplace. Then you hit Marketplace. Now, from Marketplace, what you would do is find the product. Now, the categories that you want to stay in when looking for a product is the evergreen products. Is basically the evergreen categories, which is health, wealth, and dating. Those are essential things that humans need. We all need that. So there shouldn't be any issue with getting sales and finding success with selling those products. So for this example, I think I'm going to go over to it's going to go to health and wellness. I really like using health and wellness. So what you can do is search by gravity. It says here sort results by. You just hit gravity, and gravity is basically it's how they measure how much sales are being sales of the product is being sold, how much sellers are selling this on a weekly basis. So if it has a high gravity I would recommend of above 30, that means it's selling. So you shouldn't have any issues with selling the product. So you go to gravity. Now this red tea detox, I see a lot of people doing that. You may not want to go to one that's this high, but you can go to I would say something like lean belly breakthrough. This right here, this is the average sale. This is how much you would get each time someone buys. So each time someone makes a purchase of lean belly breakthrough, when you promote it, you will get $38.41. All right. So as you can see, this comes with a landing page. Basically, it's going to be a tool that you could use, but you just have to make sure that you put your link in there. going to show you how to do that. Let's exit this out. So as you can see, that's the good thing about Clickbank. Most of these products here, they already have tools for you. So they have banners here. Basically, this is a banner ad. You put your link there. You put your link in the banner ad, and you can put it on the site. And once they click, it goes directly to your landing page. This looks like it has everything here. It has right here the affiliate links. I don't know why I did that. But basically, if you wanted to go ahead and promote a product like this, what you would do is hit the promote button right here. You would put your information. This is my information. Please don't put this here, because if you do, when you make sales, I'll get the money. Alright, so you'll put your information there, and then you would hit create. And it actually will come up with a link that you would use to promote. Alright, so after you get the link that is generated for you for the particular product that you want to sell, I would recommend actually getting a notepad so you can paste it here. I have a lot of notepads there, so you can see. But the second thing that you would need is a page builder. The page builder that I recommend is something called ClickFunnels. Alright? So ClickFunnels build pages. It builds pages. It's the page builder. And it's something that you would use to build something called a landing page. A landing page now is, for example, something that you would use to get an email address. An email address is something, of course you know what an email is, but you would need that to go into your autoresponder, and that way you'll keep in contact with potential buyers. So here goes one, for example. I have multiple businesses that I run, and this is actually for beats. I'm a producer, so it has cool features with ClickFunnels. This actually has a timer, and what they would do is once you get the traffic here to the site, they would click that button, click a button, and then a new page will come up, basically that would ask for their email and their name. So the key to these, the landing pages, those squeeze pages, is that you have to provide a good offer. So if you don't provide a good enough offer, the conversion rate won't be that high. So, alright, the next thing that you're going to need is an autoresponder. For example, I use AWEBER. AWEBER is actually pretty good. It's pretty decent. So this, you would create your messages. You create your messages. As you can see, I have 10 here, 10 messages that I already wrote. Clickbank, most of the products, they have them already pre-written. And what would happen is, once a potential buyer puts their email in, they'll get these messages over time. They say it takes 7 to 10 times for someone to see a product or see something, and in order for them to buy it. So this would actually help you to message a buyer if they don't make a purchase initially. If you want the link, if you want a free trial for AWEBER and ClickFunnels, the two good tools that I recommend, you can go ahead and click the link in my description, where you can get a free trial ClickFunnels is for 14 days, and I believe AWEBER is for 1 month. So go ahead and click the link in the description. You can go ahead and get that for free. Now, I want to go ahead and show you the traffic source. The traffic source that I use is something called Udemy. Now, Udemy is a site where you can actually purchase, basically you would contact a vendor and you would create an ad, and the vendor would send your ad to their email list. So these vendors, some of them have 100,000 people on their list that are interested in making money online, or they're interested in purchasing health products. They're interested in different type of things. You see, for example, right here, it says, this is a vendor right here. It says, High Opens Biz Op, so that's for business opportunities. So the people on his list are interested in business opportunities, CPA, and internet marketing traffic. So, and they range from 39 cents, 46 cents, 50 cents, 39 cents. So depending on your budget, you can get something for a reasonable price. I recommend starting low if you're just starting out. So what you would do is just go ahead and create an ad. You see I have an ad here, something that I created. You can copy that if you want. And then you would choose the visitor amount. So that's how much visitors you want them to send. It goes all the way up to 1,000. I recommend starting off low. And then you can choose the date right here. After you select the date and the amount that you want to visit your page, you click Add to Cart. And then you would check out. Alright? You can pay with PayPal and card. So if you don't have a card, you can set it up with PayPal. I believe you need a card to set up PayPal anyways. But there we have it. That's basically what I've been doing to make money on Clickbank. So far this week, it's over $1,000 I've been making. That's just on my dummy account. I have many different accounts. But doing this method and other methods online that I'm going to teach you if you subscribe, I've been able to quit my dead-end job, and I've been able to, travel, and live the life that I always wanted to live, just by, following these simple steps. And if you follow them and stay consistent, that's the main thing, consistency, you'll see results and success as well. So, again, for those tools, you can go ahead and click the link in my description for free. I'll also be coming up with a marketing course soon. It goes in detail all the methods that I use to get traffic, to get customers, and to get sales. That's going to be coming up shortly. So, subscribe for more information. And once again, this is Omar. Have a blessed day. Go ahead and make those sales. Go ahead and crush it. I believe you can. Stay focused and stay committed. Thank you.